Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into house world, and yes people, we got Windows 10 in the building. Yes, no, it is not called Windows 10. It's called MDRAIN digital artwork, but I'm telling you, the developer did an awesome job with this, giving them 3.5 thumbs up in the door for the design and for also stepping out and taking a risk on this watch face. Right now it has the Windows look all day long. I like it. I like the design, very unique. And also in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gears 2, but you're going to get a better look for the Gears 3 in the AOD mode to me, and that's just in my opinion. Now once the watch face is on, it does have that Windows 10 look that I like. Now you get your digital time, you get your day and your date. Up at the top you get your step info, miles walked around, and everything is legible. That's very surprising. I like this. Floors climb, you got your goal completed. Also you got your battery info here. You got how many months we're in, how many weeks we're into the year, also days. Now you get calories burned, heart rate, so you get all your information right up front, people. And it is interactive, right? So if I double tap, I can't go into my alarm. Same thing here with my steps. So I thought this was very nice. I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job with this watch face, and it allowed you to go into your step status, which is important to a lot of people. Now there's only one thing, and this is going out to the developer. Listen, it would be really cool if we were able to move this around. That would be awesome. So developers, see if you can do that, if it's at all possible. Other than that, listen, 3.5 thumbs up. You were almost at 4, but you did real good with 3. Listen people, hit me in the comment section down below. I'd like to know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.